Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I'm just going to be showing you guys how I apply glue. So I do not wear glue a lot anymore, almost at all. Like, for real, I just hate the hassle of taking it off, and I just think it's super abrasive, and it's not for like an everyday thing. And I switch my wigs out so much that I just don't see a point in actually wearing glue. But I am going to be putting on some glue. I am going to be gluing my wig down. So the first step that I like to do is what everyone does. You go on with some alcohol. So I do have mine in like this little spray bottle that I got from my local beauty supply store. This is the 90%. Let's see, the 91%. So what you want to make sure is you get the highest percentage. It's probably not gonna focus, but anyway, you want to make sure you get the highest percentage of alcohol when you are applying glue. Okay, so I went in and I cleaned off my edges. Now I do have on makeup. You really want to do this before you put any makeup on, that way you won't have to go through this hassle and taking the makeup off, child. Okay, because it's just too much. So I just go in and, like I said, I clear off like the makeup or where like I'm gonna put it. So another thing that I do is and I've already done that, by the way, but another thing I do is I go in with like a little comb or a little brush or whatever, and I like to make sure I like brush or comb my edges up really well. I even go in sometimes with a little bit either eco styling gel or some got to be glue, because you guys know that it's not gel, that is not glue, it is gel. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm gonna go on with a little bit of this eco styling gel instead of the I'm sorry, the got to be gel instead of the eco. Okay, so I just have it here on this little pad thing or whatever, and I'm just gonna go in. I'm just applying a little bit, and my reasoning for doing this is to keep my hair back. Okay, like my edges and things like that, I like to keep it back. No, I do not do the bald cap method, and I'm not going to be doing the bald cap method. I don't like for my hair, my little sparse hairs, because I have like real baby hairs, and I don't like for them to be all like out everywhere and getting tangled up all into that freaking glue, because y'all know glue is like harsh. And I do have like some long sideburns. I cut them a little bit, but they still are kind of long. So I just swoop back my hair, my edges, as much as I can. I just get them like sleek like that. This is like a personal preference. You most definitely don't have to do this part, but like I said, child, I do, because I just don't want my edges out here all willy-nilly. Because look, baby, I need every edge. Okay, I don't know about y'all, but I need every edge. So after I do this, I am going to take a blow dryer to it, and I'm going to blow dry it a little bit, just so I can make sure. And sometimes I even like put a scarf on it, so it'll be nice and flat and kind of hard. Another thing that I used to use is it's called the liquid bald cap. If you guys do quick weaves or did quick weaves, you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. That's really good too, to kind of slick back your edges, because like anything, if glue gets on that, it's not gonna like take your hair out and stuff. Like if you're applying it really close to your hairline, I would recommend doing that. But almost all of my wigs, they sit above my hairline, and I make sure they sit above my hairline. So okay, and I'm gonna just go in with like a blow dryer so I can blow dry this a little bit. Alright, so then once I'm done with that, you guys know I always have on my just stocking cap. I don't put on a wig without I don't wear a wig without a stocking cap. So I'm just gonna put my stocking cap just where I normally place it. I ain't doing nothing different. So as you guys can see, everything is pretty much like back. It may look like a bald cap method, but it's not. I just have everything slick back. Like I said, that way I won't have any like sparse hairs. I don't have to worry about this glue sticking to it or snagging none of my own baby hairs, okay? Because ain't nobody got time for all that. So now that I've done that, I'm gonna do something that's a little bit redundant. I'm gonna go in with some of this alcohol, and I'm gonna go around Again, because you know, your fingers have oils in it and stuff, and you just want to go in and make sure everything is nice and clean, so that your glue can adhere really well. So the glue that I'm going to be going in with will be, and this is not sponsored or anything like that, it's going to be this Esha glue. Okay, so this glue came out, has it been a year? It's been a little minute, and it was like on the rave. Okay, everybody was talking about it. I am using the Absolute. They have two different kinds. I forgot what the other one called, but this is the Absolute. One is stronger than the other. I don't know which one the strongest, I don't know, but y'all, this is the only glue that has been working for me. Like I said, this is not sponsored. Everybody in the back, everybody over there, y'all over there, y'all hear me? Y'all hear me? This is not sponsored. Okay, I'm just showing you guys how I apply glue whenever I do apply glue, which is 1 out of every 365 days. Okay, anywho, this is what I'm going to be using. This is the only thing that's been working for me lately. Ghost Bond hasn't been working for me. No, I think I had Cling and some other kind. Nothing has been working for me, but this still works, and I think it's because my skin type kind of changed, because Ghost Bond used to really work for me. But good, I put Ghost Bond on one day, and good, wig was sliding back to 1992. Okay, so I hope that this is still good. I mean, the last couple times I've used it, it's been amazing. So I've even kept this wig on. I kept a wig on with this for almost 2 weeks before. Okay, so I like it. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this. I don't really like using this on my fingers, so a lot of times I'll take a ear thing, Q-tip. I'll take a Q-tip or like a knife or some kind of plastic instrument to apply this. Okay, so before I apply, I did forget a really important step. You're going to get the wig that you're going to be using. Okay, get the wig that you're going to be using, and you're gonna like see where the wig sits, basically. So I'm just gonna, and this wig look a hot mess because I haven't done anything to it, but anywho, I just recently kind of cleaned the lace. So you're gonna kind of see where the wig sits. Okay, baby, I love this wig. I just really like this wig. But anyway, you're gonna see kind of where it sits at. Okay, and it's also good to take some type of pencil and like mark where the lace is falling at. That way you only put glue there, because you know, like when you put glue too far up or whatever, sometimes it's just a pain to get it off. So let me get, I'm gonna use this this little pencil, but it's not sharpened, so let me sharpen it up real quick. And like I said, it ain't gotta be nothing, you don't have to do this step. It's just a little bit easier to mark where you're gonna lay your wig. Okay, like I said, you don't have to do this. It's just, you know, whatever. So I'm gonna take it, kind of stretch it to where I want it to be, and I see the lace is like right there, right there. I see my sideburns come to about right there. All right, so I went ahead and marked. Now you want to make sure your marks are at least a little bit accurate. It is going to probably be a little off or whatever, but if you don't put enough glue or put glue in the wrong spot or something like that, child, you could always go back and kind of replace it in some spots. Okay, how this song go? What's this song? I just had a song in my head. Oh, I like this side. This side like an old lady did. This side or whatever. Looking all scrumdiddlyumptious. Shoot. It is about having nice hair. Oh, now you can have a hot girl winter. Good. I don't want to be a hot girl. Look, I'm trying to be somebody's wife. I ain't got time to be no hot girl. All right, y'all, so I am done with this. I guess I would call it somewhat of a tutorial. It was just kind of like a, I don't know, like a just look and I guess learn what it is tutorial. Just showing you guys how I apply my wigs with glue. Everyone doesn't apply their wigs the same way, but yeah, this is what my wig is looking like, and it's very, very snug. As I stated, this is the only glue that works for me. It will be the link down below. This is not sponsored, just saying it for the audience, but it will be linked down below if you guys would like to try it. If you have tried the Esha glue, let me know how it works out for you. I do have the Absolute. That's the kind I have. They, like I said, they have two different kinds. One is stronger than the other. I don't know. So yeah, and it's supposed to be water resistant, and I did test that. It is kind of water resistant, but yeah, I have a whole video on it. Just type in my name and then Esha review, and you guys will see my full review whenever I did the first review. Okay, so anyways guys, that's pretty much it. Any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below. Also, specs about this hair will be down below because I know you guys are going to be asking. And yeah, I'll see you on my next one.